Hello and welcome. Now you are gonna see the product cluster inside dashboard, how we can prepare it in a Microsoft Power BI desktop using the DAX measures, calculated columns, data modeling and relationships, and the multiple more things. To see how well I have told a story of product clusters and how well I have shown that year-over-year growth, its sales, and the multiple things. So now you can be learn how you can prepare this dashboard or alternatively using the DAX measures and its combination. The most interesting thing is that as it's Eid festive, so I have been giving you the guide as a gift for you to prepare it well to understand the DAX measures and to understand the Power BI desktop. So next, first step is to open the Power BI desktop as I have opened and you can see on your screen the Power BI desktop available. First of all, I have gone to the Insert tab and added a text box in my report canvas. So see, it says add a text to your canvas. Yes, I have added a text to my canvas and see, I have added a desktop. Its name, the product cluster inside. This is the dashboard which we're gonna prepare in today's session. I have written the text box, the text name, the dashboard name, the product cluster insights, and let us move forward. It is placed on the top left of my report canvas. There is no data set available connected now. So first of all, we have to connect the data set and let us see further what the instruction says. It says first of all, we have to get the data and make a connection to the source file. So this is a recap of your previous sessions. You can view it and read it. So first of all, it says you have four buttons available on your report canvas when you load your Power BI desktop file. So first it has an Excel workbook option, then SQL Server. You have a blank table option and you can copy paste so you can try a sample data set of the Power BI desktop available. On the right hand side, you got the filter pane, visualization pane, and the field list. Though it's now updated as a June update got it, so it has been hidden. The visualization pane that is available under the insert tab, the field list has been changed to the data group and it does the same functioning as previously. There is available the filter list and all these things can be shown in the view tab up. On the left hand side, you got the report view, you got a data view, and you got a data modeling and relationship view. We have discussed thoroughly, we have discussed comprehensively in the previous sessions. It says how we can connect the source file. We have an Excel workbook available to Power BI desktop to connect data dashboard, and we're gonna tell the story. First of all, we have to find the file where it is available. Let's go to my Power BI desktop file. So it's a home tab available. So here I have an Excel workbook option available separately near the get data option. So as I click, I can see my Excel files available. I'm gonna connect my data source. So yes, I have a navigation pane available. So let me expand it. So yes, you got a navigation pane available. It says no item has been selected for the preview. So yes, there's nothing available because I haven't clicked anything. I haven't checked any box, any table or the spreadsheet available. If you haven't watched my previous videos, do watch it. You can see that there is available differentiating about the tables and the spreadsheet. I have explained that there. So yes, as I click any table, you can see its preview available on the right hand side. So yes, now I'll be connecting my source file. So I'll be selecting the tables or the data set which I want to analyze. First of all, I have the customer data. The next is the product data connecting to the sales data, heading towards the state region, the US regions. So see, I have the multiple things which I'm gonna be see further. Yes, connecting all my sales, all my source data, Excel Power BI desktop is enough powerful that it has made Excel workbook as a folder. The folder icon you can hide, can unhide it. You have a display options available, enable data preview option. So yes, I have unchecked that. See it says preview is disabled. I can enable that preview and you have a refresh button available. So I have selected all my things available. Next at the bottom we got three buttons. It's load, transform data and the canceling option. So for now, I'm gonna load my data set in the Power BI desktop to further analyze it. It takes a second to load it, and now you're gonna see it will be establishing a connection. See on your screen, it says loading, evaluating, waiting for other queries. All the things relates to the data connection from a source file, inputting a process of connection to the data modeling view. Power BI is enough powerful that it will create relationships directly, and we can though first we have to analyze those relations and then we can move forward. So yes, it has loaded all of my data set on the right hand side. You can see the data pane and all your tables have been loaded accurately. Though they are represented by the column names available. I have the state region, the use region, the sales data, product table, and the customer table available. And now let's see forward. The data view by default it selects the first table, product table, the sales table, the state region, etc., the multiple things, and the model view. Now just see, it has made the relationship of state region matches with the US region table. Let me scroll my thing, and where's my further table? Let me scroll to the left hand side. Yes, all my tables have been available here. Now I'm gonna format those. I'm gonna give them a shape to tell data modeling. So let us see further. So I have my customer data table available here, the product table available here, and my sales table. So as I told you previously, the sales table, the master table, which includes all the relative parameters, is the fact table, is the master table which gonna look the values from the sporting table, the lookup tables, this customer data, the product data, the lookup tables available. Next, I scroll towards the right, and I'm gonna head all my tables to a single place. My US region, my state regions, and all of these are placed at an accurate place. Now it's time for building a relationship. Heading forward to the data modeling and the relationship view. So let me zoom it first. So yes, I have my lookup tables at the top and my fact table at below. This relationship, if I click here to see my state correlation matches with the US region table and the state region. So that's a great relationship, but I want to delete it. I don't want to make a relation with this. So I'll be right clicking here and there's a delete option. I'll be deleting the relationship now. So see, I have deleted the relationship and now I have placed my fact table at a below. Now let's make the relationship. As you see on your fact table, there's a column called customer name index that matches with the customer data, the customer index. So first thing to make a relation, you have a manage relation option available at the top of your home tab available. So click here. It says there are no relationship defined yet. I'm gonna click new and then it asks us how we can set our table. So first of all, I want to see my customer data, the customer name and the index, and then I want to select my fact table and see here where my customer index available. So see, I got my customer name index available and see it says make the relationship active. Yes, I want the relationship active. Clicking OK and then close. Just wait for a second. So see, it has made a relationship and we're gonna move forward that delivery region index. So yes, again, drag and drop opportunity. We're gonna paste here in the US region. We have the further the product description index available that matches with the product data. Yes, drag and drop policy. I have built the relationship. Down. Yes. Got my result. Working effectively. Straight region doesn't show a relationship. I'm gonna place it here, my US region here. So see, you got your relationship defined. Now I'm gonna go back at the report view, or you can say data view. I'm gonna create a date table for the dates analysis. So there are the multiple ways. As in the previous video, you're gonna see how we can create a date table. There are the multiple options available. Now we're gonna use a simple option in this part to analyze the dates. So here under the table tool, I have an option, new table. It says write a DAX expression to create a new table. So yes, I'm gonna click on it. So there's a name. I'm gonna type the dim date, or you can type any name for your table. Dim dates or anything. You have your function that calendar auto. Yes, what does the calendar auto do? It says returns a table with one column of dates calculated from the model automatically. So you got a date available in your fact table or any table you got which you imported from a source file, the Power BI desktop. So it will be copying the dates, the fetching the unique values and then pasting in a separate table called the dates which we are going to prepare it with the one column of dates available, and then closing the parenthesis, entering the option. You got the dates available. So yes, you got the date column, and see here, let me expand my groups ribbon. So see, the first group is called the structure group. It says name of the table, it's the date, name of the column. Yes, now it says what should be the type of the data. By default, they have selected the date and time. I only want to see the dates. Yes, now I got the dates. It's day, month, day, and the year available. If I open this small filtering, see the dates available. So yes, you got your results. You have the format option available. Choose the multiple formats available. So yes, I'm gonna choose this date format. Let us go to the model view. So see my date table available. I'm gonna drag it and place it in a place where it should be placed. And I'm gonna find my dates available. My order date matches with the dates available in the date table. Drag and drop policy. You got your result of the dates table. Let me go back and see here further. You got your date table. Let me expand my table, expand the date hierarchy. Yes, you got the years, you got the quarter result, you got the month result, and you got the days available. And you can see further sales data, the due date and the ship date available, the order date as well. Now see, there are no dates available because we have made a relationship with my dates table. Now this dates table could be used for the dates analysis, the timely analysis. Now you can see your results working perfectly. You have done the multiple things available. How you can import the data. You got the refresh of your previous knowledge. You got to see the data view. You understand the multiple things available. You have seen how you can prepare your data model well. You have seen the data modeling, how you can make a relationship, how you can create a DAX table that is a date table called. So now we're gonna move forward.